Hello boys and eventually girls. If you have watched my last episode, probably you are wondering why the Benz is here. If you have not, go check it out and then come back. Before I tell you why the Benz is here, I want to quickly show you how I managed to paint the brake calipers that are for Rado. I have the calipers ready for paint. And Rado is here, so he can choose a color, because nobody knows what color they should be. But first we need to think how I will hang them to be painted. Okay, we will use the Touring old exhaust system, which is somewhere here, to hang the calipers while I'm painting.
Michael?
There is special paint for brake calipers, but we are not using this, because I don't know why. We are going to use standard base paint for these calipers and clear coat, which I used to paint cars with. How long we will coat, nobody knows, but we're gonna do it this way. Clean cut. Okay, Rado doesn't know what color he wants, so I'm gonna start with silver for base. Mercedes!
Да.
Da?
Да.
Da? Okay, this also. Škoda.
Little bit green.
And a little bit of green. Just a little bit. Not much left, but should be enough. I have green, I have blue. Professional painters will tell you not to use old paint. It's good that I'm no professional. Maybe a little bit more. blue. Turbo! This is actually not so bad. Okay, this is gonna be the color. The best color ever. This is ready. No more green, no more green. So, Mercedes silver, Skoda black, some Mazda green and blue. And you get this. Okay, Radu is here and holding the camera, decided that he wants more blue. And I will put more blue. But this is also old paint. Okay, this is the final color. I was just about to start painting when Radu remembered that we need to readjust the calipers, because these are standard calipers from some different Mercedes, not like his own. And here we're gonna install a banjo bolt, and we need to cut slightly from this area so we can install a banjo bolt. It's good that he remembered before I started painting. Another day, the brake calipers are ready, and now I'm gonna take them out in the sun to see how they look like. Even in the dark they are cool. Now imagine this big boy sitting on this little boy. Crazy. So at the end of the last episode I told you that I have sold the Benz, and I did. Guy I know for a very long time, made a test drive. He was very happy with how the car handles and drives, so we managed to find a good price for both of us. He gave me the money, I gave him the car. It was Friday afternoon, and on Saturday before lunch he sent me a picture and gave me a call. Well, do you believe in destiny? And do you believe that cars have soul? Because I think this car didn't like the new owner, and somehow one of the wheels fell off while driving. Yeah, it's not the best way to start a relationship with the cars. I'm glad that he's okay. There is minor damage to the car. Actually, I will show you what is the damage to the car. Rear left wheel fell off, as you can see. Now the wheel is on. The wheel is on, but fender flare naturally fell off. You can see there are still parts left from the coilover fender. The bumper is broken, but I think the worst part is that the panel is bended also. And also here is cracked. And I need to fix this. Yeah. Very unpleasant job. But I need to fix this because I have another guy that wants to buy the car. Not wants, but have interest on this car. But he doesn't want it for a better price looking like this. He wants me to fix it and after this eventually buy it. But this might be for the other episode. Now, I told you that I want to show you the Keskin wheels that I made some weeks ago. And now I have the Benz on Keskin wheels. And I'm gonna go wash the Benz, wash the other car that is with the Keskin wheels because it's driving like this for quite some time now and it's really dirty, and see how they are looking on their new car.